Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is x divided by 4 whole cubed is equals to 27, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So first we break this cube and we apply cube separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes x cubed divided by 4 cubed is equals to 27. Further, in the next step, we need to move 4 cubed from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as x cubed is equals to 4 cubed multiplied by 27. And here we need to find the prime factors of 27, and we know about that the prime factors of 27 are 3 cubed, and in the left hand side we have this is x cubed. So we combine the cube into the right hand side, and it will be written as 4 multiplied by 3 and its whole cubed. We know that 4 times 3 becomes 12 and its whole cubed, and in the left hand side we have x cubed. And now we move 12 cubed from right hand side to the left hand side, and we get x cubed minus 12 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we use the nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have x or a minus b whole cubed is equals to a cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So you see that the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So we substitute the values of a and b into the below formula. So according to this, our below formula is written as this is a is x minus b is 12 into this is x square plus x times of 12 plus 12 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x minus 12 times of x square plus 12 times of x plus this 12 square becomes 144, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 12 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 12x plus 144 is equals to 0. From here we easily get the value of x is equals to plus 12. So this is the first root of the given equation, and you see that this is the quadratic equation, and we know about that there are four methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, third one is quadratic formula method, and the fourth one is graphical method. So we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation, and for this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 12, and c equals to 144. And we state the quadratic formula as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c in this formula, and we get the remaining roots of the given equation. So here when we substitute the value of b, it will becomes here minus 12 plus minus square root of 12 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 144, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. In the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to minus 12 plus minus square root of 12 square becomes 144 minus 4 times of 144, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. In the next step we need more simplifications, and we get x is equals to minus 12 plus minus, so inside the square root sign we have 144 with a common value. So after taking common 144, we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And in the next step we have x is equals to minus 12 plus minus Here we break the square root sign and we apply square root sign separately on both of these two values, and we get 144 square root into square root of 1 minus 4, and 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. So further in the next step we need a little bit more simplifications, and we get minus 12 plus minus, this is square root of 144. We know that the square root of 144 becomes 12 times of, here you know about that, when negative sign appears inside the square root sign it will becomes iota, and we get square root of 3 times of iota. And further we break this fraction and we write 2 separately on both of these two values. And in the next step we need to cancel these terms, and we have 2 times 6 becomes 12, and we get here minus 6 plus minus, this is also 2 times 6 becomes 12, and we obtain 6 times of square root of 3 into iota. So here finally we will obtain there are 3 roots of the given equation in which the 2 roots are complex roots, and these are x1 is equals to minus 6 plus 6 times of square root of 3 into iota. This is the first complex root, and the second complex root is minus 6 plus 6 times of square root of 3 into iota. Eh, and the third root is be the real root, and it is x3 is equals to 12. Finally, we will get these are the 3 roots of the given equation, and this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.